Okay, GB admin. My my opponent, what do you call it? Can't think about what you call it, but it's something you call it. Dashboard. He dashboarded. Alright, the theater. Okay, so my opponent dashboarded. Okay, so my opponent dashboarded. What am I doing? Select film, recent games. The only game mode you see up here, excuse me, is Team Deathmatch on Hijacked. He dashboarded second map and first map. I let him host all three because my connection is not really being the best to me right now today. So, and then after I beat him first map, you will also pay attention that he will pay attention to his proof. He will not have any proof for first or second map. He also in this game he also had battle chatter on. I mean, from recent games it's not supposed to be on, so you know I know it's not supposed to be on. I'm just gonna show you proof that he had battle chatter on, and this will probably be the end of the video because I don't really have enough time for this. I got other stuff to do. But as you see, it was bolts only. Everything was right. Let me see. Oh, I did not mean to start recording. Disregard. Trying to get to the point where he reloaded. Maybe if I play this my. But at one point you will hear it. Wait. Let's go back through that one more time. Hold up. I wasn't this far on. Shit. What did he say? Right there. You'll hear it. Let me turn on my TV. Again, I'll try to see if it does it whenever I spectate him. You heard that on his host. And there you go. That's proof.